Hello everyone, for more updates subscribe, turn on bell icon. YouTube has become the new official TV on the internet where you can watch anything you like. But do you even know there are many hidden YouTube tricks that you are unaware of? These hacks are pretty useful for using YouTube and you can use them in your daily YouTube activity. So, if you are eager to know what I am talking about, then let's just look at them. Top 8 YouTube Hacks. 1. Download any YouTube videos. If you want to download your favorite videos in no time without using any software, then this trick is especially for you. The great thing about this YouTube trick is that you just need to add 2 letters in the video URL to download it. Still confused? Let's see how you can do it. 1. Visit any video you want to download. 2. Then add pp without quotes after YouTube in the URL and hit enter. For example, www.youtubep.com/videodetails. 3. This will take you to a website youtubeconverter.io where you can choose the quality of the video before downloading it. 2. Keyboard shortcuts. If you want to control the interface of YouTube without using a mouse, you can do that with the help of a keyboard. There are several shortcut keys you can use to operate YouTube easily. Here are some of them: K, to play, pause, L, fast forward video by 10 seconds. J, rewind video by 10 seconds. M, mute the video. C, turn on the caption or subtitle. Num 0, jump to the beginning of the video. Num 1 to 9, jump to 10% to 90% of the video. I, launch the mini player. 3. Play video in slow motion. Want to play YouTube videos in slow motion? You can easily do that by pressing and holding the spacebar button. 4. YouTube TV. If you want to play YouTube on your smart TV, then instead of the default interface, you can switch to TV mode that gives you a larger viewing screen without going into the full screen mode. To do this, you just need to visit www.youtube.com/tv and sign in with your Google account. Then you must verify your account information with an on-screen code. Once done, you can watch videos in HD for the best viewing experience. 5. Loop a video. Do you find it annoying when you want to watch or listen to a video repeatedly but there is no loop feature on YouTube? I know it sucks when you want to listen to your favorite track on a loop and all you can do is manually playing it over and over again. But don't worry, there is a YouTube trick to solve this problem. You just need to add repeater after YouTube on the URL. For example, www.youtube.com/videodetails will become www.youtuberepeater.com/videodetails. When you change your URL and hit enter, you will direct to youtuberepeater.com where you can play this video infinite times on a loop. 6. Watch videos only from your subscribed channels. There are many times when you see unwanted videos from channels you haven't even subscribed. If you find it annoying and want to see only those videos which you have subscribed, then there is a small trick you use. Just go to http://youtube.com/feed/subscriptions to watch all the newest videos from your subscribed channels. 7. Convert YouTube videos to GIF. If you want to convert a part of YouTube video into GIF, you can easily do that with a secret YouTube trick. Creating GIF by using this trick can help you in making memes for social media sites, and you can also use them in online marketing. Here is how you do it. Point 1. Go to any video and add GIF right before YouTube in the URL. 2. This will take you to gifs.com where you can convert a part of a video to GIF. In the below screenshot, the red rectangle depicts the total length of your video and the blue region shows the selected GIF length. 3. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click on Create GIF button to move on to the next page. 4. You will land on a page where you have to enter the title, tags and other details before proceeding for the next step. 5. Now click on Download GIF to download your file. Ensure you're signed in or else you can share it on social media. 8. Bypass age restrictions. Sometimes you can't watch a video because of an age restriction. The only possible way to watch this video is to sign in with an account. But what if you don't have an account or don't want to create an account? In such a case, you can do a small YouTube trick which will let you watch this video with no hassle. You just need to add "gen" before YouTube on the URL and you're good to go. For example, www.youtube.com/videodetails will become www.genyoutube.com/videodetails. Hope to learn something new.